beautiful morning. The water's fairly calm. The wind is just sort of chill, doing its thing. Not too bad at all. Yeah, reminder why we're here. This is Reed Harbor, and we are out on the floating dock. I don't know how well, let me see. Yeah, we're on the floating dock out here. We were over on the regular dock the first night, and that night we had a -1.5 foot tide, and both mine and my dad's boat, we were sitting right on the bottom. And luckily enough, we've got really big wide keels, and they're both full-keeled boats. And yeah, we just kind of nestled down and sat there. Boat didn't move. I was like, oh my gosh. Then the tide came back up, and we're like, well, we probably should go out to the outer dock. It's a little deeper out here. So we came out here, and but we're here because tonight it's gonna pick up, and it's gonna start blowing something like, I think they said sustained 25, so not like gusts of 25 and 30, but sustained close to 25 and 30 with gusts into the 40s. And usually that wouldn't be like a big deal. It'd be like, oh, okay, some 25 knot winds, gusts a little bit, lasts a few hours, whatever. But this is supposed to last 36 hours. So, and it's coming from the northeast, which for us right now is basically that way. So we're hoping that being right behind this, we're not going to get much of it, and we get to sit and see this beautiful bay. So that's what we're going to be doing for the next 36 hours, at least starting tonight. We're going to be hunkering down for this windstorm coming. Alright, I'm cooking breakfast. So let's get back down inside. Oh, hey guys. So I just got out of the water, had to go dive down and check zincs and stuff. And anyway, I was washing my wetsuit off, which here's our walk-in shower in the old Vagabond. As you can see, the shower is not draining. And usually what it is I have to pull this little guy right there because we have a shower box underneath it. You pull it out and a pump kicks on. And I don't know if you can or cannot hear that, but yeah, there's no pump kicking on. So we gotta figure out what's going on. I'll show you where the pump is. Alright, back in the quarter berth, here's the pump. And as you can see, it's all connected here. That's all good. Follow this wire here, which is where it heads to the panel. And it's all connected, good to go. Pump seems fine. I have a feeling, my inkling is that it's the switch itself. So. Alright, oh, hello. Yeah, that would be the problem. Let's see. Oh my gosh. What the heck is that? Dude, that's some good old-fashioned corrosion right there, dude. Cool, bud. Alright. Should be right in the top. If we've got one. Let's see, 14. Alright. Should do it. Alrighty. Moment of truth. See if it works. Voila! Yay! Looking like a little boat project to spend the afternoon. Good stuff. Nailed it. Yeah, sounds like he's got some kind of project going on. This is my dad's boat. This is a Gulf, as you can see. Gulf 32. And solid William Garden design. Yeah, sounds like he's in here tinkering, which he does a lot of tinkering. He likes to tinker. He's a pretty good builder. So we're gonna see what he's up to. Knock, knock. Ooh, you got something good cooking. That's cool.
Drilling holes in my boat. Always a good day when you get to drill a hole in the boat,
yeah.
You know, yeah.
What are you doing?
Drilling holes in the boat.
For what?
To put water in. True story.
This is my dad. You've likely seen him in a handful of our episodes. He's an avid fisherman, musician, sailor, and shipwright. He's been sailing for over 45 years, and is most likely the reason that I got into sailing. He built a Westsail 32 from the ground up, restored a derelict and forgotten Westsail 43, which eventually went on to sail south to Mexico, and is currently sailing around in his newest boat, Sunrise, a Gulf 32. Alrighty, back to the show.
Really?
It's my water. I just drilled the hole for my water inlet.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Yeah.
Guess we're gonna put this in.
Like we know what we're doing. And then tomorrow, I'll put the hose on and start drilling holes for the hose to go through the cabinets and then up, and then it has to turn and go down into the tank. So
I'll let you get to it.
okay, bub, love you.
Yeah, love too. See you in a bit.
Okay.
All right. Well, it was a rockin' and rollin' night. It was weird because the sustained winds were almost nothing. There was maybe, I don't know, 8 knots of sustained winds, but then when it would gust into the high 20s, just these really huge gusts, and then nothing. Just go still, like, and then big old gusts, and I swear it felt like it was coming sort of from straight down and all around us. But still better than sustained 25s out there and then gusts into the 40s or whatever. So there's some folks over on Vancouver Island that have been talking about how they're just discouraged by it, because I guess this year it's just been windstorm after windstorm after windstorm. But anyway, yeah, it's still blowing, but getting through it. See you in a little bit.
All right, buddy.
And we are out of here.